I'm going to show you how to reset code 82 on your Chevrolet Spark. So code 82 on a Chevy Spark is just the oil change reminder, and it's just letting you know that it's time for an oil change that is due. So once you have had the oil changed, what you can do is with the ignition of the car on, you can go hit the menu button. You can hit it again until you get to this screen. What you can do is use the arrows to scroll until you see the reset oil, and as you can see, ours is at 4% life. What we want to do is we can just hold down the set button here. We hear that beep, and as you can see, it's back to 100%. We can just hit menu, get back to that screen that we were at before. So now, when we turn the car off, turn the ignition back on, as you can see, there is no more message letting us know that we have been able to successfully get this all reset. If this video helped, be sure to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other questions at all or any concerns about your Chevy Spark, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thanks and bye for now.